Plano mo bang gumamit ng mga DIY skincare? So may napanood ka sa YouTube na gumamit ng DIY skincare at naisip mong subukan. Bago mo subukan, panoorin mo muna tong video na to kasi baka imbes na makatulong yung mga DIY skincare na nakita mo, baka hindi at baka pagsisihan mo pa. In this video, share ko sa inyo yung mga 3 common DIY skincare mistakes na dapat nyong iwasan ngayon na. Una is baking soda. Kung naisip nyong subukang mag-baking soda para sa mukha nyo, kasi may isang video ko na nakita sa YouTube na gumamit ng baking soda at naging maganda yung effect sa kanya. Well, panoorin mo muna to. Baking soda has a pH level of 8.3, which is extremely alkaline. At ang natural pH level ng skin natin is 5.5, which is a bit acidic. So pag gumamit ka ng baking soda, your skin will be too alkaline, and that will damage your skin's acid mantle. If you don't know what acid mantle is, ito yung parang environment sa skin natin na nagme-maintain ng mga good bacteria sa mukha natin na lumalaban sa mga acne-causing bacteria. Too much alkalinity will also destroy your moisture barrier, thus making your skin look dry. Next is lemon juice. We all know that lemon is isa sa mga pinaka-useful na prutas na meron tayo. It's also packed with a lot of vitamin C. However, on the other side of the spectrum, lemon juice is highly acidic. It has a pH level of 2, which means sobrang acidic niya. So putting it on your face is a big no-no. It can cause permanent skin damage, irritation, and sensitivity sa sunlight. The third and definitely not the least is apple cider vinegar. Although apple cider vinegar is actually very healthy sa katawan pero hindi sa mukha. Apple cider vinegar is made up of fermented apple juice, nilasing na mansanas.
Binurong mansanas.
Which can cause irritation on your skin. It can cause your skin to burn and to be sensitive.
Hinahalo ko naman sa tubig eh.
Whether it's diluted or not, dermatologists do not recommend using apple cider vinegar by any way. So those are the 3 common skincare DIY products na ginagamit natin o napapanood natin sa video sa YouTube that you now can avoid with an understanding and knowledge kung ano bang pwedeng gawin ng mga products na to sa mukha natin. I'm not against all these products, okay? But we need to understand kung ano yung pwedeng harm na idulot nito. Kasi baka instead of them being of help in our skin, baka pagsisihan pa natin sa huli. So there you go guys. Those are the 3 common DIY skincare products that you should think twice before using. If you learned anything from this video, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko. And if you think na makakatulong itong video na to your friends or to your family, you can share this video to them to give them caution. Again guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.